What up, bro? So, heading to Chongqing, China right now. Me and this black dude back here, he's like the only Chinese dude that get mistaken for an African. Which is wild. But he's actually a local guy. And the funny part of his name is Hyman. That's funny. He didn't think smart about his name. You gotta go up one more and go. Hey man, Ting. We gotta look in the screen to find out. Hey, so hi.
Hold on.
Who are you talking to? Yo, so we just got through security check and we're hungry as hell. This is B217. Hey, Hyman, Nali. So, this is how we doing.
Why some people always for English for me?
Cause you don't look Chinese. I told you don't look Chinese, bro. You look African or Filipino. You just look black. He asking why everybody always speak English to him and not Chinese. They don't think he's Chinese.
Right.
Cause we look like two foreigners, bro. I'm telling you. They don't think you local people.
Don't tell the.
I literally asked for Starbucks. So this is airport food in China, especially in Guangzhou. So, 2-hour flight, not bad. Man, this dude is wild, man. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Salino.
Yeah. Oh, CJ is okay. Oh, she mad.
我现在就在1楼啦。
So this is hot pot, traditional Chinese hot pot.
我也是，我是奇密，
OK。
我也是骑士的。
So you have to like pour this. 什么东西？猪肉吗？
猪肉的。
Oh yeah, which one?
OK。
So this is like deep fried pork. And I'm just waiting for the hot pot. So basically we got everything I don't eat. This is duck.
한국은 간.
好吃。
Pork.
duck.
I don't eat.
他不吃内脏。But I think you should try it.
I'm a chef. I tried this before. How's this say?
他说他能吃鸡跟鸭啊，这火锅哪有鸡
So everything.
我名字叫 Hyman。
So what's your Chinese name?
陈海成。
陈海成。My Chinese 大鱼头，
大乌冬。
大鱼头。
大一头。
My
What's
English
it?
is King White Tea. King of James. You know, you want to
King
say?
White Tea.
King White Tea, yeah.
King White Tea.
Yeah.
Alright, mine's a
Yeah,
CJ.
man.
Nice, nice. King White Tea.
Yeah, people.
就这样是最正宗的。
So this is lamb.
但是没有盐呐。
没有盐，没有盐。
那味道呢？就是加
Oh my god.
比较有
Talking about spicy. This shit is like
不用放盐的。
ridiculous spicy. Oh my god. So we have turned into a smash session. Yo. That shit is so spicy. You see this little dangerous thing right here inside of my chopsticks? This thing is called mala. It will numb your tongue. And Chinese people love to eat this. It is very, very spicy. Yeah, actually, look at this. That's all spice inside of the hot pot. I don't feel good. That shit is
good.
That shit is not like. And some people eat this every day, man. This thing is spicy. Like, I got you. Go ahead. What's up? Hey, so who's your favorite? Yeah, introduce yourself. Who's your favorite NBA player? So who's your favorite NBA player? Who's your favorite NBA player?
Yeah, LeBron James. You want to say?
Look, so
Yeah,
you got-
LeBron James.
You got it under. You got it under this.
Yeah. Yeah, like LeBron James.
Ah,
So,
nice.
Yeah.
Reporting live from
Yeah,
Chongqing.
and Jamer Lin.
Jeremy Lin? Oh yeah,
Yeah,
so
Jeremy
this is Jeremy Lin, little brother,
Yeah,
by the way, guys.
Jamer Lin.
So he got a lot of heat from his brother. This is Jeremy Lin's little brother. And this is the spice that I was showing you guys earlier. It's ridiculous and it's loaded. Spice.
So pretty.
Whoa, this is spicy. They turned up.
无人敢好。
你好 ，Hello，等一下
它。是怎么了？是有一定的，应该有，能问一下。是他们订的一个好，是他们订的好。
天津打进去。
你看一下，就是那个，哎，叫什么来着？重庆的那个挂的是重庆的协议。嗯，对不对？是他啊。是不是订了一个豪华双床房住2天？
知道
莫总订的。
莫总是姓莫吗？
对。
一个女孩子是吧？
对
我算一下。
So gotta take the elevator.
这可以看得江的是吧？
这应该看江的话，肯定不行。看一下，
Right.
三岸。
3 2 2